A fund password on Bybit adds an extra layer of security to your account, especially when withdrawing or transferring funds. Here's how to set it up. Open the Bybit app. Launch the Bybit app on your mobile device and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the Me tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This will lead you to various security options for your account. Enable Fund Password. In the Security section, locate Fund Password or Withdrawal Password and tap on it. You may be asked to enter your Bybit account login password for verification. Set up Fund Password. Enter your desired fund password. Ensure it's a strong password consisting of a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm the password by entering it again. Save and confirm. After entering the password, tap Save or Confirm to finalize the setup. You may be prompted to verify via two-factor authentication if enabled. Test Fund Password. You can now use your fund password for security when performing actions such as withdrawals, ensuring your funds remain secure.